Today we're diving into one of the most critical aspects of digital transformation, and that's business process management, or BPM. Now, digital transformation is so much more than just adopting new tech. It's about fundamentally rethinking how we operate, and BPM is right at the heart of making that happen. Now, a common number that's touted in reports and surveys is that up to 70% of digital transformations fail. And that's often because companies neglect to adjust their processes to support the new technology. In this video, I'm going to unpack how BPM enables digital transformation success, showing you the steps to integrate BPM effectively. And by the end, you'll understand how BPM drives efficiency, streamlines operations, and aligns your tech investments with business goals. So what exactly is business process management? Now, it's often referred to as BPM, as I've already said, but what does that really mean, and why does it matter in the digital age? Business process management is the discipline of analyzing, designing, and optimizing the flow of work within an organization. Think of it as creating a blueprint for how work should be done to achieve maximum efficiency and effectiveness. Now, in today's really fast-paced digital world, companies can't afford to have outdated, inefficient processes. BPM ensures that workflows are as streamlined as possible. So when new technology comes in, it actually enhances operations rather than complicates them. Now, traditional process management is about setting up a way of working and sticking to it. Now, BPM is dynamic, constantly adapting and evolving to ensure processes stay aligned with changing business goals. So now that we know what BPM is, let's look at why it's so essential for digital transformation success. Now, you might be wondering, well, can't we just add new technology to our processes and then move on? Well, not quite. Often, companies invest really heavily in technology without thinking about how it integrates with their workflows. So BPM ensures that the technology actually supports business objectives, like improving customer service, boosting productivity, or enhancing data-driven decision-making. BPM helps identify redundant steps, unnecessary handoffs, and bottlenecks in a workflow. By optimizing these areas, BPM makes digital transformation smoother, saving both time and resources. Digital transformation isn't just about internal efficiency. It's about creating value for customers. BPM can really streamline customer journeys, reduce waiting times, and improve service quality, which is absolutely key to customer satisfaction. So what are the key components that make BPM effective in a digital transformation? Let's break down a few elements that can drive success. First, we have automation. Now, automation is really central to modern BPM. Robotic process automation, or RPA, is often used to handle repetitive tasks that don't require human decision-making. For instance, it can manage data entry, invoice processing, or routine customer inquiries, and that can free up employees so that they can focus on higher value work. Then there's data-driven decision-making. Data analytics embedded in BPM enables organizations to monitor real-time performance. This means you can make data-driven adjustments, reacting really quickly to issues and continuously refining the process based on actual performance metrics. Now, another vital component is agility and adaptability. A crucial aspect of BPM in digital transformation is agility. In today's market, the ability to adapt is everything. And with BPM, you're able to make really swift adjustments to processes so your business stays responsive to changes. And finally, there's the continuous improvement cycle. because BPM isn't a set and forget framework. It requires ongoing monitoring, assessing and tweaking to ensure the business stays aligned with technological advancements and market demands. So now that we know the key components, let's talk about the steps to effectively implement BPM as part of your digital transformation strategy. Step 1 is to assess your current processes. Before diving into any digital transformation project, take stock of your current workflows. What are the bottlenecks? Which processes are slow or redundant? This assessment will reveal where BPM can make the biggest impact. Step 2 is to define clear goals. You need to identify what you're hoping to achieve with your transformation. Are you aiming for faster customer service, greater operational efficiency? Having clear, measurable goals will keep your BPM efforts on track and aligned with the big picture transformation. Step 3 is to choose suitable technologies, because not every technology will suit every process. Once your goals are defined, select tools that align with those objectives, whether it's RPA for repetitive tasks or AI for predictive analytics, etc. Step 4 is to involve key stakeholders, because transformation won't succeed in a silo. You need to engage leaders, team members, and relevant departments right from the start, and this will ensure buy-in and identify any potential challenges which you haven't thought of. And finally, you need to implement and monitor. Launch your new processes, but remember that BPM is iterative. So regularly monitor your outcomes, gather feedback, and adjust as necessary to continually improve. Now, to make this even clearer, let's look at some real-world examples of how companies have used BPM to achieve success in their digital transformation journey. First, let's look at a retail company that successfully used BPM to streamline inventory management. By using RPA to automate stock reordering, they reduced manual errors and freed up staff for more strategic tasks. And this resulted in both time savings and improved accuracy. Another example comes from the logistics sector, where a company implemented BPM to manage fleet tracking and fuel consumption. Using real-time data, they could adjust their routes and save on fuel costs, all while improving delivery times. In education, a provider leveraged AI and BPM to personalize learning experiences for students. By automating course recommendations based on individual progress, they saw improved student engagement and better learning outcomes. Now, as with any strategic initiative, there are some common pitfalls to watch out for when implementing BPM. So let's talk about a few mistakes to avoid to ensure you improve your odds of success. One common mistake is not setting specific measurable goals. Without clarity, your BPM efforts can quickly become misaligned with the transformation's ultimate objectives. Now, transformation, as you probably know, will impact everyone in the organization, and resistance is natural. Failing to address the human side through clear communication and training can often lead to low buy-in and hinder your success. And finally, digital transformation often relies on very large amounts of data, and with that comes responsibility. Ignoring data privacy, security, and regulatory requirements can lead to serious issues later down the line. To wrap up today, we've covered how business process management serves as the foundation for successful digital transformation, from improving efficiency and agility to aligning with your customers' needs. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Check the description for resources on business process management and digital transformation, and I'll see you in another video.